Hello, if you want to take long screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, what you need to do is first of all open an app on which you can scroll. So for instance, Google News or Google app is a good example because you can scroll infinitely. And now we need to take the screenshot in a normal way. So just like you would take a screenshot if you had to take just a screenshot. So let's say I'm going to use this combination of volume down and power button, like so. And then we can press these arrows over here in order to start scrolling. You might need to keep pressing the button actually. So let's do one more time. There we go. And as you can see, this is how we can capture the screenshot. If you actually try to scroll with your finger, it doesn't work for some reason, but you can keep pressing that arrow that you saw in order to keep scrolling. And then of course we can, for instance, open the gallery in order to find the screenshot over here. And as you can see, we can take a look at it over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.